Are you tired of dealing with underinflated tires or long waits at the gas station for air? What if there was a quick and easy way to keep your tires in perfect shape, anytime, anywhere? Let's take a closer look at AstroAI JY16P160 Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor and see how it could be your ultimate road trip companion. About the product. It's composed of metal cylinder and metal gear. It could continuously work for 20 minutes. DC 12-volt power supply and 20-volt rechargeable battery pack power supply make the inflation more easily. Preset the value you desire, and the air compressor will automatically shut off when the value is reached. Air electricity. The 20-volt working voltage provided by the rechargeable battery can inflate fast. Tires of size 195/65/R15 can be filled in just 4 minutes. The air compressor is compatible with automotive, SUVs, cars, motors, bicycles, and basketball-size inflatable products. Package includes parts description. Using method. Ensure you have AstroAI JY16P160 Cordless Tire Inflator Air Compressor. Unscrew the cap on your tire's valve stem. Securely attach the air hose nozzle to the valve stem. Press on unit to turn on the inflator. The gauge will display 0.0 on the digital screen. Set your desired pressure using plus and minus buttons. Press the trigger to start inflation. The compressor will automatically shut off when it reaches the preset pressure. Unscrew the nozzle and replace the valve stem cap. Enjoy your journey with confidence and ease. If you are interested in picking up AstroAI JY16P160-18 Tire Inflator, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Features. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.